you done me, but I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. It was a cool diagram. I'll be giving it my bestest. I'll go and just tell me the divine intervention. I reckon it again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and bam, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment. You feel it and sing. We're all just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Way too long to get my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see clearer. But my breath clogged up the glasses, so I drew in your face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and be like me. No more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Please don't, please don't, please don't need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Ba-ba-dum-dum. Thank you so much for watching.